What's up, car lovers? Welcome back to Finance Hint, the channel where we mix horsepower with smart money moves. Today, we're diving into a truck that doesn't just roar, it dominates. This is the 2025 Toyota Tundra, and trust me, it's an absolute beast. Let's go. First impressions? This thing looks like it eats other trucks for breakfast. That bold grille, those sharp LED headlights, and the sheer size. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. Whether you're cruising the streets or hitting the back roads, the Tundra turns heads. Now let's talk power. You've got a twin-turbo V6 that pumps out 389 horsepower. But wait, if you go hybrid with the iForce Max, boom, 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. That's monster muscle with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts like butter. Towing, off-roading, or just flexing at a red light, this truck owns the road. Inside, it's not just tough, it's tech heaven. You get a 14-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a digital gauge cluster, and even a panoramic moonroof on higher trims. The seats? Plush. The space? Huge. This isn't just a truck, it's a luxury lounge on wheels. You want numbers? Here's what the Tundra brings to the table. 12,000 pounds of towing muscle. Up to 1,940 pounds of payload. Fuel efficiency? The hybrid gets up to 22 mpg combined. Not bad for a full-size powerhouse. Whether it's a trailer, a boat, or a work crew, the Tundra handles it all like a boss. Safety? Covered. Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 is standard. That means lane assist, adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring. It's got your back while you ride in style. Price and value. All right, let's talk money, because this is Finance Hint. Starts at around $41. Top trims like Capstone, you're looking at $76. But here's the deal. With its reliability, resale value, and hybrid tech, the Tundra is more than just a purchase. It's an investment. So is the 2025 Toyota Tundra worth it? If you want big power, big brains and big time value, this truck is calling your name. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay locked in with Finance Hint, where smart drivers make smart choices.